Welcome to Profiting Forex Trading channel. I'm glad to come your way again. Today I would like to show you yet another simple strategy that you can use to trade on MT4. Today I only have two indicators that I'm going to add to my chart. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you do so. Follow me on my Telegram group also. Now let's move on to today's strategy. Number one indicator I'm going to add is MACD RSI adaptive, and you don't need to change anything except the color. I would like to change this to red and this also to brown, and click OK. And here is it. I'm on Euro USD 15 minutes time frame. Now I would like to add the second indicator to it, and then now I'll now explain how to use this particular strategy. Okay, and the indicators is Heiken-Ashi smooth line indicator. You can leave it the way it is, but I like to turn off the alert. But if you like it, just leave it the way it is. And this color, I would like to change this to white, and this to red. I like to change this to white also. Okay, just click OK once you are done. And here is the strategy. Here is the indicator, but let me increase the width of this line so that I'll be able to see it clearly. I'll change this to 2 also. Okay, now let's move on. Let me explain how to use this particular strategy. I enter this particular trade once I see this arrow and the here change to red. Once it change to red, I place order for a sell, and my stop loss is going to be few pips above the previous high, and that's why I have my stop loss there. But on Euro USD, I like to use this strategy on the 30-minute time frame. And here is this. At this particular point, we have this signal. This actually crossed the Heiken-Ashi indicator, actually crossed with the arrow, and this change to red. So you enter a sell at this particular time, and your stop loss is going to be few pips above the previous high. This is few pips above the previous high here, and you will ride the trend. And here we have another cross on the Heiken-Ashi indicator, but when you look at the lower part of your chart, this is still red in the below zero zone, and it has not crossed, it has not changed to green. So this particular signals is invalid. At this point, this white arrow, you are not going to take the trade. But few pips, few candle after that, we have another sell signal that was generated at this particular point, and this the MACD is also red. So you place your trade also for a sell, and few pips just above the previous high here, just few pips here, and you ride your trend. And here on this particular day, we have another Heiken-Ashi indicator telling us to long this particular Euro USD. But when you look down again at the MACD? Is it below the zero level? Below the zero level at this point, you are not going to take that trade. This trade is invalid. This is invalid. And then the few candles after that, we have another continuation of the previous downtrend. And here again, this is below zero level. And if we move forward again, we have a buy at this a cross at this point for a buy, white arrow, and this MACD was actually green also above the zero line. So you place your trade for a buy and the stop loss below the previous low. And here is another sell. I actually entered this trade on lower time frame on 15 minutes because it was actually red at that point, and that's why I have it here. It's a good strategy that you can use to trade any pairs at all, either gold, US 30, Nasdaq, just name it. Just make sure you check the time frame that you want to trade. If you want to trade indices, make sure you use a lower time frame like 5 minutes to actually trade. And this is how to use this particular strategy. Just test it on other pairs, and then you will see how easy it is to use this particular strategy. Just 2 indicators and your chart will be very clean and neat. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you do so. Chat me up on my Telegram group. Till I come your way again, I remain your friend, your fellow trader, Joe.